guys, it's me Lana and I'm here in my garden today. I want to get this quick video done to demonstrate how one would establish a square foot raised garden bed. Square foot gardening is a great technique to use when you are limited on space and you want to maximize yield. Another good reason why you should use a square foot gardening is because densely planted plants kind of compete with each other and don't allow weeds to grow in your bed. So by planting closer together, you're growing what you want and not allowing nature to take over and grow what nature wants. So some things you need would be a raised bed. So this, like I said, is a 4x4 raised bed. You need a ruler to measure out your space. You need a pencil to mark. You need scissors. You need twine to establish your lines. And for this demonstration, you can actually use, I'm actually going to use some staples that I had on hand. These are just some things that I found in a toolbox, and this is basically what we're going to be using. So to get started, I'm using these old staples that I found in a toolbox to establish my spacing. So I measured out about 12 inches apart. And what we're gonna do is actually tie the pieces of twine along these little staples. So our next step is to actually tie the twine using the staples we just installed. What we just did was create 16 different spaces. So in these spaces you can plant anything you would want to grow. Depending on the size of the plant, you can choose one if it's going to be a big plant, or you can do multiple. For example, if you were planting tomatoes, you would plant one per cell. If you're planting radishes, which grow a lot smaller and quicker, you can plant 16 per cell. If you're doing beets, I think roughly around 9 would be decent size. And if you're doing something like lettuce, which is smaller and compact, you would do about 2. For this demonstration, what I'm going to go ahead and begin planting is kale, radishes, cabbage, and arugula. So along this side, I'm planning on planting some seeds, and along this side, I'm going to be planting some cabbage.
Doing.
So I'm just measuring out using my planting ruler where I'm going to be planting my radish seeds.
So in every hole that you made, you're going to put some seeds?
In every hole, I am going to put 1 radish seed. For the arugula and the cilantro, I'm not really particular, and I don't really care whether or not it grows in straight rows. So what I'm going to do is just sprinkle it on. And I'll be harvesting this as a salad mix, so I'm not so concerned. This is cilantro, and it's an early weather crop, so by the time this grows and I harvest it, I'll be ready to plant something else in its place. And I just loosely broadcasted the seeds in here. In this last square foot of bed space, I planted beets. I planted 3 rows of 3, so eventually I'll have 9 beets growing in 1 square foot. So again, I just want to say that square foot gardening is a great technique to use. It keeps things nice and organized. You use the grid to keep things in line and in order, and it's a great way to maximize space, maximize yield, and cut down on water waste and time, because the densely planted plants will shade out the soil, keeping it nice and moist, and it also kind of shades it out so that weeds can't compete with your vegetables. So if you're able to do this, I highly recommend it. It's fun, it's easy, and as the season goes on and begins to warm up, I'll plant these out with other nightshade plants like tomatoes, peppers, eggplants.